PCEP practice tests. PCEP-30-02 mock questions. MyExamCloud study plan. 22 full-length mock exams. 1 free trial exam. Take exam in practice or learning mode. Read answers with brief explanations in ebook format. Access course content from mobile app or web browser. 663 questions. Questions are grouped based on exam topics. Plan, practice, achieve dashboard. Set goals for your PCEP exam preparation. Set study plan for your PCEP course contents. Practice until you reach your target. Take objective and random tests. Take real exam with more confidence. Join MyExamCloud and take free PCEP practice test now.